Looking to find a winning products for your Amazon FBA business and boost your success? In this video, I will show you 3 powerful tools that will help you save time, help you discover the best products, and as a bonus, I will share a special product research sheet with you at the end and something you don't want to miss. Welcome to our channel Rank Fast, and we are starting a free Amazon seller course to help you grow your business, and we will share new tips every week. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. So in this video, I will show you the exact steps and tools I use to find a great product on Amazon, and don't risk losing money by picking the wrong product. Stay with me and I will show you how to do it the right way. I will show you 3 simple ways to find a winning Amazon FBA products with 1 free bonus extension. First, using Amazon itself. First, head over the Amazon Marketplace, but before you do that, you will need to download a free extension called Trellis. This tool helps you to estimate sales for any product, check its listing score, and see which top brands are selling it, and much more. Once you have installed it and sign up for Trellis, back to the Amazon Marketplace and click on the 3 dots and then select bestseller option. Here you will see a various category like hot new releases, mover and shakers, most wishes for, and most gifted. You will want to focus on the mover and shaker section. This is where you will find the best selling product that are newly launched or growing fast in every category. For example, let's pick a product from the list. Click on the Trellis extension and you will instantly see the product estimated monthly revenue and unit sales. If you click on expand, you can also check the product demand, listing scores, price changes, and even reviews. One of the best features of Trellis is that when you search for related keywords on Amazon, it shows you estimated sales, deals, and ads for all brands selling that product. It is also provided deals like how many ads are running for that product, the total sales in each product category, and their best sellers rank. So I think this is a great option to research your competitors and the marketplace to find a winning product. So let's move to the second way. Second tool is Helium 10. To start using Helium 10, open your browser and search for Helium 10. Once you find it, create an account. After setting up your account, head over the tools sections and click on black box, which is the powerful product research tool. Next, go to advanced section. Here you will select your country and categories. If you are a new seller, I highly recommend it to choose the home and kitchen or home improvement categories. These categories often have products that are lowest in size, weight, and price, ideal for new sellers. Once you have selected your categories, fill in the required details that appears on the screen. Be specific with your product criteria for narrow down your search. After entering the details, hit the search button. Now analyze the products that show up in the result. When you hover any product, Helium 10 will display all the essential details. You need to evaluate its potential by following the method. You can easily find the winning products that meet your criteria. The third tool you can use, Seller Speed. Start by going to your browser and searching for a Seller Speed, similar to the Helium 10. You will need to create an account. The good news is that Seller Speed offers a 3-day free trial without any card. Once your account is set up, go to Tools extension and choose the product research option like before. Select your country and category, then fill in the necessary details. After that, click on search and you will see the list of rapidly growth products along with their sales and growth details. But Seller Speed has an extra features. Open a new tab, search for a Seller Speed extension and download it to your Chrome browser. After installing, go to your Amazon Marketplace. This time I will select the UK Marketplace. Now search for the product using keywords you have in mind. For example, I will search for garbage bags. Once the result appears, click on the any top product. I will choose this one as an example. Now click on the Seller Speed extension and sign up with your account. Here is where the magic happens. You will instantly see the product details including monthly sales, revenue, average price, and related products. You can even see if sales are coming from organic search or ads. One more important feature is reverse SEM. By using this tool, you can discover the product's keywords, their search volume, and sales growth. This makes it easy to find the keywords that work and identify winning products for your Amazon store. So these are the 3 methods you can use to find a winning product for Amazon FBA. As a bonus, I have included a product research sheet in the description to help you organize your data. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video with more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.